Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this Samsung top load laundry right here. Model number is WA52M7750. It is 5.2 cubic feet capacity, so it is a very, very big machine. I can show you that real quick, just give you an idea of what we're talking about. There's a lot of space in there for king size comforters and whatnot. So first of all, we're going to talk about is a really cool feature on this. We have this for any pre-treatments or any hand wash items that you do have. Instead of just using a sink or whatever that you might use, you can use your actual laundry. The water will dispense from here, and you can pre-treat everything. And then once you're done with any residual water that's in here, you can just lift it up, and all the water will drain into the tub. And that's pretty cool. And we have this for any easy dispensing of detergent. You can just pop that in there, which is really awesome as well. And then we do have a steam wash cycle on this. Where is it? Oh my god. Do we? Yes, steam sanitize. So that's really nice as well. So that obviously, you can pre-treat it in here, or you can hit the steam sanitize and you can steam all your clothes before you run a cycle. That will get rid of any stains or anything that's kind of hard to get rid of. Also, a really cool thing about this is as well, you can connect it to the Samsung app, and you can do a smart diagnostic run on this. If there's any issues, you can get a constant update on your phone as well. Also, the lid is soft close. Eventually, it will close down, and it will be soft close as well. Now we have the Swirl Drum interior. This helps extend clothing life by treating fabrics nice and gently. The small water holes in here also will stop the fabrics from snagging or being damaged during the cycle as well. Also, a cool thing about this, it does have a self-clean option, which will keep the washer tub, clean with a combination of soaking and pulsating at high speed, and that is right there. That's the self-clean option for the unit too. It's a really, really, really cool appliance, and you guys can actually check that out on our website. There's way more stuff to know about this. Our website is appliancefactory.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.